So here's everything that you're gonna get in the box. Here is the fountain, and you can see the RGBs right here. We also have multiple attachments here, so we could just do one fountain. We could stack it up and have two fountains. Then of course we also have the dome attachment that I'll show you guys in just a moment. But this is what it's gonna look like when it's all set up. Just make sure that you tighten this screw to make sure it's waterproof. Then we also have our 27-foot long cord. This bag is actually a filter bag, so you could put it over the pump here, but this is going in a pool right now, so we don't have to mess with this. Then we also get rope and some stakes, just in case you want it in one certain spot in your pond or pool. And of course, we're also gonna get a remote so that we can adjust all of the settings here. We also have a timer going all the way up to 24 hours right there. And then lastly, we get our user guide. So let's go ahead and get this in the pool and test it out. All right, guys, so we just got it hooked up inside of our pool here. And right now we have the double tier fountain going. In a second here, I will go ahead and just put it down to the one tier. And then I'll show you guys the other attachment in just a moment. Then of course, I'll come back here at night just to show you guys the fountain with all of the RGB effects. But overall, it actually is shooting the water up about 3 feet right now. And I believe the motor is completely open. So I will have to go ahead and take a look at that in just a moment, but let's go ahead and switch it out to the single fountain. All right, so with the single tier fountain, we're actually getting a little bit more water pressure, and it is going even higher, right around 4 to 5 feet right now. So it's definitely pretty impressive, and it was really easy to swap out the nozzle. All right, now let's go ahead and try the last nozzle. All right, and here's what that nozzle looks like. It creates this really cool dome, and I believe it is also adjustable. So actually you have to tighten it, and then that makes the dome larger. And real fast, while I have it out of the water, this is how you guys can control how much water is going through your pump. So overall, this is definitely one of the coolest nozzles, and I think it's gonna look really cool at night with all of that RGB. So I'll get back to you guys in just a little with that. So it's finally dark enough where I could show you guys the RGB functions on this fountain. So obviously we have the remote right here, and we could go through all of the different colors. So we had it on red before, and right now we're using the double height fountain. I will show you guys what it looks like with the other attachment in just a moment, but we have the full rainbow of colors here, and this looks beautiful at night because you could see the reflections of the light on the water. We also have different modes, and then we could adjust the speeds of the modes as well, which is really cool. All of those functions do have to be done on the remote. So let's go ahead and switch up the attachment here and show you the other version. All right, and then real fast, this is what the other nozzle is gonna look like. We get this really cool dome of just water and then all the lights. And I think it looks amazing, especially at night. So hopefully the camera is able to pick this up. And currently we have quite the current going on in the pool because of a cleaner. But overall, it looks really nice. And if you guys are worried about the current situation, you guys could tie it down, and they have a bunch of attachments to make sure that you can keep this right in place. So overall, really cool product, and that's it for my really quick review.